What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So kind of a shorter video this week, but as you guys may know, I kind of wrecked the race truck last week. You know, we had planned on going to Scheid Diesel Extravaganza and taking said race truck to Scheid Diesel Extravaganza to race. Yeah, it's not going to happen, but we are still going to Scheid Diesel Extravaganza. We're not going to send it down the track. We're going to put it in the burnout pit. But here's how we went from this to this monstrosity of a clapped out 6.4 power stroke. I give you the Scheid Diesel Special burnout truck. Now, who knows? Maybe this would be more popular than actual racing. And we're just gonna keep it a burnout truck, because who doesn't love a 6.4 power stroke? I think it's a fan favorite. Actually, that's a lie. They're the most hated diesel. But this one makes 1,200 horsepower. You know, thing runs like a champ still, so why not burn some tires off and have some fun with it? So stay tuned to how we turn this truck into a burnout ripper, the clapped out 6.4. Make sure to stay tuned for next week's video. See the aftermath, see if this thing survives the Scheid Diesel burnout pit down there. Super lightweight single cabs, and we're gonna put a 1,200 horsepower motor in that thing, and that's why they move so quick. Weight reduction is just as important as making more power.
That's mighty impressive. Might be the coolest thing I've seen you do. Hey, should I bleed all over this one too?
Yeah.
Should I do that to each one of your...
Handprint of blood.
Yeah. Or just some red paint.
Yeah.
Just like... Oh, that's what we should do. We should do black color coding on all of them and then have like a red handprint.
Oh yeah, this is a reminder.
To do better.
Do better, be safe. Actually, that's kind of a cool...
No, I like that.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. Yeah, it's kind of cool, actually.
Yeah. No, I think that's a great idea.
Maybe your handprint.
Yeah.
I mean, we can always like uniformly put it on each fender.
Yeah.
Right there. Just to keep it consistent. That'd be
Yeah.
kind of cool. See how my baby's doing.
Yeah, I would strongly consider getting rid of some of those shards of glass.
Yeah. You do need to bring this, just in case it starts pouring rain. It would mess my electronics up in the cab.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want this thing to get damaged or anything.
Nah. I hate to cut these off. There's so much work.
I know.
Oh well. So is all this, but you know.
So is the whole darn. What's it even matter? So what exactly does that do?
It holds the front of the truck up off the ground.
Ah, so that's why it's sitting all jank.
That's why it's got a lowering kit, custom lowering kit right now.
Oh, yeah.
That was loud.
Yeah, I didn't appreciate that. Pump it up. Pump the jam.
What the jam is pumping. No body movement.
Full still.
Ooh,
Oh, what was that?
creaky. I don't worry about it.
Oh, that was more than just the one creek.
Man, we've got some crazy travel. Here we go.
Come on, get up. Oh,
Let's
ooh.
not open up.
Yeah.
Ever.
Yeah,
Actually, no.
I think it should be left closed for the remainder of time.
Yeah. Honestly, we'll get there in time to throw it in the burnout pit tonight, too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna take forever. So you're gonna do a quick street rip in this thing?
You're hilarious.
Well, we could throw it on the dyno.
Yeah?
Yeah.
See if it still makes 1,200.
Yeah. Dude, it's so much glass. I don't wanna. I guess I shouldn't have wrecked it. Hear me out. If I didn't wreck it, we wouldn't be putting it in the burnout pit.
Yeah, that's a pretty once-in-a-lifetime opportunity right there.
The things we do for other people's entertainment. This is a brand new windshield too.
6.0.
Oh, we go right on here. 1,200 horsepower.
I was thinking that on the hood.
HP. Some people are like, whatever. And then,
Yeah, right.
Then they look in the back and they see a nitrous bottle. Like, oh, no.
Can you hit a nitrous in the burnout pit?
Oh, we're gonna find out.
So,
Well, that's luck.
Dang good glue. Pop that vent out.
no, I say leave it.
These are probably trashed at this point, so we might as well burn these up.
Yeah,
Convertible?
I think so.
We're already pushing the limits of safety. Really don't need taillights anymore.
Nope.
Ah, I'm naked. I guess I don't need the registration anymore.
Not really.
Because what good is 160 mile an hour wheel speed burnout without nitrous? 1200 horsepower worth burning tires. Got 3 full bottles. You can go home with 3 empty bottles.
And nothing but rims.
Like the Australian guys.
Yeah.
Jack was
Straight send it.
He's like, yeah. He's like, we don't just burn the tires, mate. He's like, we go straight to the rim.
We spray painting this puppy.
What are we putting on there?
1200 horsepower.
Yeah, let's do it. I think I got red. You want red?
Ooh, do I get red and you get black?
Here's like Apex red.
Yeah.
We got white for the fender.
Okay.
And we got black for the door.
Yeah.
Hopefully it didn't damage my intercooler. I might knock the bumper off real quick
Check it out.
just to make sure there's not a hole in it. Should I put FO? Or is this a 4?
FO. Bam.
Perfect. How to make a mockery of a race truck. We have resulted to spray painting on it. The hood opens easier than before.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Spoke too soon.
Dang.
All right.
I lied.
Ah.
Yeah, we gotta take the bumper off. Still got oil.
How?
Correction, there is no oil on the thing.
Yeah.
Still have 70 psi oil pressure, so we're good.
You do trans flushes by blowing transmission lines.
Yeah, I do oil changes by flipping trucks.
Yeah.
Watch we get there and say, hey man, you can't do a burnout, there's no windshield.
Dude.
Like, haha, no, I'm doing a burnout. So, I guess we could write on the other door, Scheid Diesel.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah. Safety first, folks. Oh,
Oh. That would maybe.
see, that's why I have my safety glasses on. So if that hit me,
Yeah. You'd have both eyeballs.
yep.
So sad.
All the hard work over the last 3 years
Uh-huh.
gone in 2 minutes and 39 seconds.
How's that make you feel?
I mean, honestly, it's kind of sad.
Yeah, a little bit.
I'm dragging my $250 bumper across the front of the concrete. What do they say? Play stupid games, win stupid prizes.
Yep.
But now we have reborn the race truck as a burnout truck.
Yep. Like a phoenix
Yeah.
from the ashes. Doesn't even feel like the same truck anymore. Oh, your tire pressure monitors failed.
Oh,
Dude.
look at all these lights on the dash. Those were all there before.
There's glass in there.
We're good.
Okay.